Move. Stupid hole, move.
You ever been hit in the head?
Mama, come on. Stop playing. Let me see. Come on, move. Mama, come on, seriously.
All right, you're really getting on my nerves.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Move for that. That's why you want me to move. That nonsense. Fucking retard. Oh god. Somebody help this man.
Skills at skillsmethod.com, dancefloorseduction.com. Shout out all the hustlers, bustlers, players, pimps, puas, naturals, gigolos, mics, playboys, fuckboys, comebacks. Fuck it. Everybody. People seduction meals. Alright guys, so I decided to make this video because a lot of guys go on dates, right? And after the club, the girls want to eat, or groups want to eat, or you have friends with benefits, fuck buddies, girls you're seeing, and sometimes they want to eat, right? But what happens is when you especially when you're pulling, you don't want the girls to get heavy food because after the clubs they want McDonald's or they want fucking pizza or they want to go to tennis, and those are heavy foods that mess with their stomach, make them bloated, heavy, or after a day, and it's not conducting to seduction, right? You know what I'm saying? Like stomach pain or gas, like gas and all that. It's not conductive to seduction for obvious reasons, right? So I'm gonna show you some things that I do with women. They are field tested. They're really effective and they're very affordable, super cheap. Also, it also is a way to pull, right? As possible deniability. Possible deniability is finding an excuse to take them home. Like, hey, let's go to the after party, or let's go. Or I got pizza in my house. Or I can make you pizza, or I can make you tacos and all that. Women love tacos and pizza. They won't say no to that. And I'm gonna show you also an ice cream that won't get them bloated or filled up, and it's very delicious. Also, when you're making these meals, you are displaying higher value because they see that you're in shape and you take care of your body, and that to eat healthy is not, it doesn't have to be boring, and it can be tasty and exciting and all that. So those are the things I'm trying to accomplish by showing you how to make these meals that are field tested by me, okay? Also some drinks. I put some drinks and some ice cream that I make. They are very easy to do. Anybody can do them, okay? Especially when you also when you go, like, again, when you go on a first date or after the club when they want to go eat and things like that, or with your girlfriends, main girlfriends and your fuck buddies, okay? See you at the end. All right, guys. So let's start with the how to make tacos. First, the credit goes to for the tacos to Kino Body. Okay, Kino Body does it, but this is my own version. You take the spray. Um, the spray is just extra. I like olive oil spray. It costs like $4 in Walmart, but you can get it in any store, right? That's because it has no calories. Okay. This is la banderita corn tortillas. Okay. Um, very low calories too. Okay. And then this is the mozzarella, mozzarella cheese, mozzarella cheese. You can do the 2%, but I like the one with the fat. The calorie because the calorie is not gonna be that much difference. So you throw it. Look at that style. That freaking form. You saw how I put that there with form. So as I'm doing this, I'm trolling. I said, listen, I'm trolling a little bit. I'm making jokes, and this relaxes the girl too when they're back at your house. Like, they listen. I went to culinary school to cook. Oh, this is the Parmesan crisp chips. They're very nice. They have a lot of protein. They fill you up. They're delicious. Okay, women love that shit. So You go, I went to culinary school. I'm very professional in what I do. So you start trolling and joking around. And the first step, and you show them how to do it, like I'm showing you guys. The first step, you put the tortilla here, pay attention, and then you proceed to twist it at the right temperature, the right form. So you start joking around, and the girls are gonna be rolling the eye. So you're being cocky, right? Cocky form. And then you proceed to put the spatula, and then I show them how to put it. Then you proceed to take the cheese and you gently grab it, and then you gently place it on the tortilla. It has to be placed with the right form, and you're showing it to the girl, right? So you're joking around as you're doing this. Like in this is very like I went to a culinary school. Okay, nobody can do this. I just went to culinary school, so you're fucking around with them. Okay. So, anyways, guys, so you make them. You see, you toast. I like them really toasted. My skills complain because of the smoke of the house. But I really like it really toasted. You gotta ask them. No, every guy gotta like it really toasted. Um, so you do it like this is how you do it, guys, and then whatever you put on the plate. I was too lazy. That's okay. So you put it on the plate, then you open them like that, right? And you put a little bit of garlic. Now you gotta be careful with garlic. I mean, this garlic is not that bad. Like the girls don't wanna taste like garlic, but you put a little bit. And always, right? You got the Listerine strips, and you have the extra toothbrushes for the ladies, right? So they're gonna brush the teeth anyways, and the Listerine and all that. So, anyways, that's the taco hot sauce. You can get taco hot sauce. I like the fire sauce there right now, but this is the Taco Bell hot sauce. You see. So you have your own Taco Bell shit, right? Close it, and you combine with the chips. I put the chips in the little bag because I measured them with the weigh scale, so it's 100 calories right there with the little chips, right? And then you eat them, and it's delicious. It's delicious. Women will love it. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make pizza. So you take the Triscuit, right? They sell this in every store, Triscuits. This one is I think this one is the Triscuit garlic flavor. You can do with the original. This one is the garlic flavor, red pepper and oregano, right? Oregano, red pepper, and this is the drink. And then there is a classical pizza sauce. You get pizza sauce it's like $2. It's called classical pizza sauce. This is ice. This is like a drink pina colada. I like the pina colada ones. It's only 5 calories, right? And then you put the thing, right? You put the toast, you put the Triscuits, right? My ex of 10 years showed me how to do this shit. That's the only thing she did. I mean, shout out to Danielle, my ex, stupid hoe. But anyways, she showed me how to do this stuff. This is the sauce. I use pizza sauce, which is classical pizza sauce right there. Guys, and let me know if you want to, if after you bang the girl, you want to make them breakfast. Let me know, guys, in the comments, in the forum, or in the chat, or in the comment section, if you guys want me to do one for breakfast. Because if you gotta get, if after you bang a girl and they sleep over and you cook them breakfast, that hook them better. Because if you fuck a girl, you got nothing, right? You need three fucks, right? So, anyways, guys, you put the pizza sauce on top of the thing. Man, I was running out of pizza sauce. That's the classical. I feel tested a lot of them one. The classical pizza sauce is pretty good and it's pretty cheap. You can get a Walmart for like $2, and they last. All of these last for a long time, guys. It's very cheap. That's another thing, right? Because you're gonna save money, right? You're gonna save a lot of money doing all this shit, right? It's not about the money, but you don't want to be investing in the money on women you haven't back, right? Um, So, anyways, you put the look at my form. Look how I spread the sauce. Uh, you can also in Amazon you can get like a chef hat if you want to troll a little bit. I was gonna do this for the video, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna spend money for these losers. I mean, for you guys. So, but it will be funny. My skills wanted to get me the hat, the chef hat, but I didn't want. Look at my beautiful arms. Look at that beautiful arm that I have. That's all the jerking off I do. Look at that beautiful arm. I should be an arm, a hand model. That's all the jerking off I do. Anyways, guys, so you put the mozzarella cheese. You see the same cheese that we use for the duck. You put it on top. Look at that, those beautiful fingers. So you put them on top, guys. Look at that beautiful hands. Now that I'm looking at the video, my hands, they're so beautiful. Again, guys, that's all the jerking off I do. Hold on, so listen. So I take it. I'm gonna put it on the. Look at that hand. That's jerking off form. So you put it on the microwave. Now, my microwave, every microwave is different. So in this one, I'm gonna do a minute. With my ex of 10 years, I used to do 15 seconds. But with this microwave, I put in crisp and I put a minute. So you need to feel test at the beginning because every microwave is different, right? So you put it so you don't sometimes it's 10 seconds, 15 seconds, sometimes it's a minute. In my microwave now with my skills is a minute. In my microwave with my ex, it was 15 seconds. So look at that beautiful pizza. It looks like that. It's delicious, guys. I was sloppy with the, you know what I'm saying? You put a little bit of oregano on top. That shit is so delicious, man. It tastes way better than a regular pizza, by the way, guys, because it's crunchy. You know, it's crunchy and it's delicious. And it's creative, right? Look, red pepper. And this is gonna fill you up because the Triscuit have a lot of fiber. So the fiber is gonna fill them up. You see? That's a beautiful cheese pizza. And then you give them what the sparkling ice, or if you guys are into drinking, you can have a drink as you have. And then this is the dessert. Bluebell Sundae ice cream, right? I like it this way because that way you see 190 calories, right? 190 calories, you take it out. Now you open it. Sometimes I put it in the microwave for 10 seconds because I like a little bit soft. And then you ask the girl and then you put Kahlua, a little bit of Kahlua on top. And this is delicious, man. Delicious. I put them like that. Look, like that. You put a little Kahlua. Shout out to my mama. My mama is the one that told me how to make ice cream with Kahlua. My beautiful mama. And then you put it like that. And then you got that ice cream. All right, guys, that's all I got. Let me know if you guys want to do one for breakfast. Hey, guys, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, get the book. If you want coaching, hit me up. My guys get laid. All my guys get laid. Okay. I never had a guy that I coached that didn't get laid a lot. Okay. Or get a girlfriend and things like that. So hit me up if you guys interested in coaching. I'm very affordable. Okay. Like, subscribe, get the book. If you don't like it, you know the drill. Suck on my left nut because the right one is reproductive. Get the fuck up. Get the fuck out.